Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to Daryeel Kitchen, home to delicious food made simple. Today's recipe is how to make this creamy spinach and chicken pasta. It's so delicious, so creamy. It's one of the best pasta dishes that you need to know how to make. And guess what guys, it doesn't take a lot. So let's go ahead and make this. So the first thing that you want to do is get a skillet, a pan. Make sure it's nice and hot. Drizzle few drizzles of oil, olive oil, any choice of yours. And then you just want to add one chopped onion. Saute this for a few minutes. And then make sure you get your pasta on the pot as well. This dish literally takes less than 20 minutes. And then as soon as the onions are sauteed, we're going to add some chicken, some garlic paste. And then we're going to add all of our seasoning. Some black pepper, some paprika. And then I'm going to add some vegetable seasoning. And then after that, you just want to give everything a mix. Just allow always before mixing the chicken for about 2 to 3 minutes. And then after that, give everything a good mix. Now all we need to do is cook this on high heat for about 8 to 10 minutes or until the chicken is fully cooked. And then I'm just sprinkling some ground coriander. You can also use fresh coriander. And then give everything a mix again. Now all we need to do is mix everything. We're going to add some dry herbs, and this gives that amazing aroma flavor that when you cook any type of pasta dish. And then we're going to add some chili. I'm adding one green chili, which is totally optional. You can leave it out, or you can add a chili powder as well. And then we're going to add some salt to taste. We did add some vegetable seasoning, so just be aware how much you add. And then our chicken is ready. So this took about 8 to 10 minutes. And now I'm going to transfer it on a plate. And then we're going to let this sit aside. And then the great thing of this dish is that there's not really nothing else. The next step now is using the same pan. You're going to add the spinach. So there's no washing the pan or... Now we need all that flavor that's in the pan. And then I'm added some little bit of the pasta water. And then all we need to do now is cook the spinach for a few minutes. You can totally use fresh spinach. I have this always in my freezer, so whenever I need to do a quick meal, I just get this out. Into the creamy part of this pasta, we're going to add some actual cream, and I'm just using double cream. You can use single cream. In some countries it's called heavy cream, so you just want to add about 300 mils. And then we're going to transfer our cooked chicken. So our sauce, all we need to do now is let this come to simmer for about a few minutes, and then the sauce is ready. And at the same time, you have the pasta ready. So one thing I like to do is whenever making this type of dishes, just make sure the pasta is already almost ready as you're done with the sauce. So the first thing I do is put hot water and then get the pasta in. Then I start making the sauce. So by the time my pasta is ready, the sauce is ready. So it's almost done now, and it smells amazing. It didn't take a lot of work, and it's so delicious. It's one of the dishes that I actually love, but we don't tend to make this often. And then we're gonna add our pasta in there. So once we add the pasta, you just want to give everything a good mix. Make sure the pasta is coated really well and everything is mixed. Keep it on the heat for another few minutes. And the reason is just to make sure that everything blends well. And then all we need to do next is add a little bit of cheese. I like to just add a handful of cheddar cheese, or any type of cheese that you have works really well. This works really well with the cream, the chicken and the pasta. Anything that you add cheese, it just tastes 10 times better. And then our pasta is ready. It's so creamy, so rich. I love this pasta, and it's so easy to make that you can definitely create this at home, make it for your friends and family, make it for yourself and treat yourself. So enjoy it guys, and if you make it, don't forget to send me a picture on my Instagram on here, so I can see when you guys create one of my recipes. I'm gonna list the ingredient list on the description box below, but otherwise I have it on here. The other thing I do with my videos now is make sure I have Somali subtitles, so my Somali viewers can also watch and see what I'm doing and understand as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to press the like button so I know that you like this kind of videos. Also, if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe and press the notification button so you can see whenever I post. And also, if you have a question or comment or recipe in mind, just let me know in the comments and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Until we meet next time, Assalamu alaikum.